My wife and I enjoy our bird feeders. The birds truly bring joy to us. However, we have discovered something was eating our bird seed at night. Look at this guy enjoying the fruits of our labors. He pretty much ate half of what was in this large bird feeder. Now we have to figure out how we're going to solve this problem. You done? All right, bye. We were gifted these particular bird feeders from one of the premium bird shops in town here. And they're not cheap bird feeders, but they have integrated squirrel guards. That is the green tube that goes down from the bird perches. Now, the horizontally or diagonal guard I added on because where we had the feeders before, there were some rocks and the squirrels were able to jump from the rocks to the perch. So what I had done was added these guards which just blocked their ability to get up to the feeder. Now, obviously, this is a case where the raccoon is using the guard as a method to get up to the feed. So what I think I might do is, I'll try this in the two-step phase, is I'm going to go ahead and put new poles. I need new poles anyways. They're starting to rust out pretty bad. So I'm going to do some new poles and I will go ahead and raise the feeders about 6 inches. We can't go much higher than that because it makes it impossible to add seed to the feeder. But we'll start with that. And if that doesn't work, then I will remove the guard that's on the bottom. I didn't video me putting in the new post, but I used conduit from the electrical portion of the home center. I had to put a little bit of duct tape around the top to make it fit tightly since the tube was a rather proprietary tube for these feeders. Oh man, I guess I gotta go ahead and take it to the next level, because here comes Mr. Hungry again. Hey, this is not an all-you-can-eat buffet. Get out of here. When I had installed these guards, I had just used some sheet metal from the home center air conditioning area and cut it into the appropriate shape for this. I attached it using pop rivets, and now all I'm doing is drilling out the pop rivets and the whole guard will fall once done. And just like that, the guard is removed. The next morning, the camera did not pick up the raccoon at all, so either he decided to give up for the day or this solution worked. So hopefully we will enjoy the birds and not feed the raccoons. Thank you for watching.